Okay, so the thing is the URI is only up to your port number. Okay, the URI up to your port number.
Okay.
Okay, and URL have all the information about your project, particular controller, particular class. Okay, this is not what nothing but endpoint only. Okay, this is the endpoint. Okay, just consider Google also create the client site like for the customer. Okay, so in API what we have interface, class, method, business logic, all the things, but there is a no serious client logic. Okay, no serious client logic. So what a Google people they do, they just create another client application. They may be deploy in the same server. They may be deploying another server. Like it is like that will not carry about worry about that. Okay, client application. This is a client application they build. What they do here, they just simply maybe it is a web application, maybe it's a REST application. Doesn't sense. Okay, they just do one thing, just call the API.
Mm.
Calling API is nothing but calling the endpoint. Calling the endpoint is nothing but calling the particular control class, give the request, give the request to the request to the particular application, then method, sorry, controller, then method, particular method. Okay, this is a simple logic. Like there is a no serious thing. Like there is a endpoint. Endpoint is a URL that have the more information with a like with the URI. Your URI plus more information that will become to URL. Seriously, and what the full form of URI is like URI means uniform uniform resource identity. Yeah, URL. What the full form of URL?
Uniform resource locator.
Locator, right? So this is a difference, simple difference between URL and URL. And maybe some people know, maybe some people don't know. Sorry, they don't know about this thing. Simple thing. They are thinking URI and URL is same. No, they are two different things. Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So seriously, also what we are doing, we also doing our application. There, what we did, we also calling the same. We are doing the same. Okay. We are calling the API, call the endpoint, calling the API like nothing but calling the endpoint, nothing but the URL only, and the URL what we have the particular location, the particular application to particular thing. Maybe they hide. Okay, maybe you will not get. Okay, what how they're calling. If you see the details, maybe the application will not. They will give the like they will give a name that will not understand directly, like what we give particular the name web application, test application, not like that. They just give a proper name, proper thing, then that will be useful to the end user. And if there is a parameter required, okay, in the method, just think in the mobile method we are passing the URL. Okay, like website URL we are passing na. So
Yes,
that is
yes.
a parameter. That's the parameter concept. Okay, that is a different scenario. So this is the about all about the difference between URI and URL. And in REST application, there are much thing you have, like so many things. And we have the alternative client application. Seriously, for every REST application, for every API, we have a alternate client application. Tell me the name.
Sorry.
We have a, let's see, for the API, we are creating a client application. This is our client application. And the Google people also created another client application, but there is already a client application. We need not to build, and if you give any API endpoint, that will give a result to you.
Okay.
What is this you already used?
Pay
Tell me the
speed
name. Postman.
Acha. Okay, fine. Huh.
Postman is the universal client app, client test app. Testing.
Any API, it may be
Client,
whatever it
client
may be.
testing, client testing GUI. Okay, for all the endpoints. Okay, simple question. This is
All the endpoints as well as all the API calls also, not particularly.
I already told na, API call is nothing but the endpoint call. Endpoint call is nothing but the URL. All are one thing. Okay. Someone said API call, someone said a endpoint call. Okay. Just think, in API call, do you call the entire API? No, na. If like think, if you call API, are you going to call all the method at a time? No, na. You going to call a particular endpoint.
Endpoint, yes.
The endpoint, what is the endpoint? The URL. Simply that is the URL with the port number. Maybe the port number is not visible to you. May sometimes visible, sometimes not visible. Least bother about that. You have to call it like endpoint. Okay. If I call open the postman, otherwise, postman. Wait, it's loading. Okay. Some API call I do. See, page published. See, maybe because they have the host name. Okay. They have the hosting like HTTPS, so they do not to show the port number. Okay. And this is all the thing. Okay, the key field something is required. Let it be. So URL only. Okay. See, list about that. I just create some list application and I'm testing here. Okay. Here I give my port number, na? Because I don't have any hosting. Okay. So I just give the local host. And this is my project number. This is my controller. This is a particular method. Okay. So that thing. The URL is nothing but the one method call only. Seriously. Okay. And if you get the address up to the host number, up to the server, that is the URL. From the project to move, project to controller to the method, that is called URL. All the entire thing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. This much only. Okay.
Okay, Nirma.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.